Good morning, everyone. Really good to see you again this year in Munich. We all understand the digital transformation has been doing for quite a long time. In past decades, many things got changed. For example, infrastructure, application software, etc. Only one thing never got changed, which is the importance of the data. When we start to have database, we use data for recording. And then when we have big data, we start to dig into the data, try to have more information. And then when AI comes, data becomes knowledge. Therefore, for all the organizations, to make AI ready, I really believe we have to get data ready at first. And then to get data ready, we really recommend all the organizations to consider to build AI data lake. For AI data lake, we really believe there are several key elements. The first thing, certainly, is the most important, is data storage. Within this kind of layer, we believe the high-performance data storage, which is really expensive, has to be together with high-capacity data storage, which is cost-effective. And then, certainly, data protection storage, for example, backup storage, with effectiveness. These data storage has to be tiering together. And then, certainly, the data management is really important to make sure even the data located in different physical places, the owner can understand where is the data and what they are and how to use it. And certainly, we need to add on AI tooling chain, these kind of softwares, to help us connecting these data to the large modeling and also even connecting to the application softwares. And certainly, the management system also becomes more complicated. Therefore, we needed to have a clever way to manage all the hardware and also software together with the data assets. The first thing, as I mentioned, a very important thing, is data storage. And then what kind of data storage today Huawei started providing to our customers? The first thing is high-performance data storage. From last year, we are recommending to the market with OceanStor A-series products. This storage really got high performance for NAS particularly, and with really high capability of scale out. The A-series data storage really got high bandwidth, therefore can enabling it to connecting to even more than 100,000 GPU cards because the large bandwidth. And also, it really got performance enabling for the training and also inferring system. In last year, it also joined the MLPerf, that kind of competition, and certainly it became #1 within all kind of data storage. By using this data storage, the checkpoint loading speed really can be fasted. And also inference performance and also the user experience can also really be improved as well. So we are really strong recommending our customer to consider A-series data storage for the production area, not only considering the reliability, but also really considering to protect your investment for the future. The second thing we have to think about, more and more data we have to accommodate. We really believe in the future the cold data will gone. More and more cold data will become warm data because the AI system has to visit these kind of data. Then we really needed to find a clever way to accommodate all these data with cost-effective? Our answer is Ocean Store Pacific CLA product. The Ocean Store Pacific today got certified by Energy Start. It really got high density with 2 units to support 4 petabytes. And also, for each terabyte, the power consumption is only 0.25 watt, which is the lowest in this world. And certainly, it supports really large SSD disk together with the capability of strong compression and also energy saving as well. The third element for the data storage layer is data protection, which is backup system. We all understand the backup system in the history has been used for database and also virtualization, these kind of systems. When AI comes, it will really used for AI corpus and a vector database, these kind of data backuping and also protection. So for backup system, we really needed to consider the efficiency of the speed for backup and recovery, together with the software features to detect where is the ransomware attack. All of these features are supported by Huawei backup system. Today, it has been used for many companies and also in many areas to keep protecting their data assets. The second thing is data management, as I mentioned, for AI data lake. We all understand today we got problem to manage the data. Today, in each organization, the data may allocate in different departments and also physically in different areas. For the owner of the information creator or builder in the organization, they really cannot understand where is the data asset, how to use it. So in Huawei Data Management Engine, we have very important functionality called Omni Dataverse. This software can help us to understand where is the data and how to use it, particularly to make sure all these data can support mobility. So make sure the data in one organization could have visible, manageable, and also being available is really important as a first step for us to build AI data lake. And certainly, when AI comes to build AI data lake, the complexity will be further increased. So the resource management becomes more important to make everything be efficient. You know, we have a virtualization system called DCS, has been introduced from last year. Traditionally, it supports the virtualization for CPU very well. And from this year, the DCS will keep support the virtualization functionality for NPU and GPU. Today, in most of the AI cluster, GPU card has been allocated on one by one. We never divide the resources within the one GPU card. And then the DCS, we provided the virtualization functionality for GPU, really can help us to further utilize the GPU resources within one card. We have an example. In China, we utilized 16 NPU cards for one hospital. And then hundreds of the doctors started to use the functionality within that kind of small pool. How to realize that the DCS virtualization for NPU really make effects. And certainly, container technology also supported within this DCS. So we are strongly recommend all the organizations start to consider the virtualization functionality for GPU and NPU when you start to build AI data lake. To make sure the maintenance and also the planning job be simplified, AI technology also being introduced to data management system. The functionality we called Data Master. It's really co-pilot functionality for engineers. With this kind of tooling system, the engineers can easily doing the maintenance and also planning job, and even can minimize the mistakes. Okay, let's have a video to see what kind of AI data lake we have, please. AI data lake, we are really strongly recommending to all the organizations to build. Today, we have powerful all-serial data storage together with the software to support data management, virtualization, and also resource management as well. We really have confidence to support all the organizations to build AI data lake. Remember, to make AI ready, get data ready at first. Thank you.